Hello, we are Group 187, and we will be presenting Topic 1. First, we would introduce our program and the overall AI policy of PolyU. Then we would talk about the courses that use AI for take-home assignments, and finally, some reflections. All of our group members are from the occupational therapy program, and we help patients recover and improve their daily skills after going through some injuries or illnesses. AI is commonly used nowadays due to its rapid development, and PolyU also has some Gen AI policies. Our purpose for this presentation is to explore and reflect how AI could help us, and also some concerns that we may have. Here are some AI policies of PolyU. So now we will talk about some courses. We chose them because these are compulsory courses to OT students, and they involve the use of Gen AI tools.
Okay, so let's move on to talk about the Chinese course. First of all, this is about the introduction, and the University Chinese is CLC 1104. It is a foundation Chinese course equipping students with essential and practical knowledge, which facilitates verbal and non-verbal communication among professionals. And this is pre-assigned to every 2023 cohort students. Regarding assessments, there are 5 assessments in total. And the first one is the online test for the use of language, which accounts for 20%. And the second one is the in-class essay writing, which accounts for 25%. And the third one is the news article, which is a atypical one. It's a writing, which accounts for 25%. And the fourth one is the essay analyzing presentation, which accounts for 10%. And finally, is a speech, which accounts for 20%. So let's talk about the AI policy of the course. The instructions of the use of AI vary as assignments accordingly, which means different assignments has different use of AI instructions. Like the writing of a typical news article, it says that generative AI tools can be utilized, but then the use of AI must be declared right after the article. And the second assignment, which we can make use of AI, is the speech writing. It requires students to propose a draft using generative AI tools, and the draft generated accounts for 10% of the marks of the assessments.
Okay, so we will talk about how do we use AI to help us study. Firstly, we use AI. The AI provides students with inspiration and new ideas regarding the assignments. And the AI also provides a summary of deeper and broader information of different issues studied in the assignment. And AI also helps students to consolidate their understanding of knowledge covered in the course. For example, the sentence structure in Cantonese. The AI can help us learn what is the sentence structure of different sentences in the Cantonese. So how do we use AI tools to help us learn and complete the assignment? So we first talk about how do we learn using AI. The AI offers concise and precise definition and explanation of different concepts. It helps strengthen students' capability of utilizing specific and essential terms when composing an essay. So for assignments, the AI provides students with foundation insights and concepts regarding the task. It helps students to grab general insights promptly. And also, the AI gives feedbacks of work. For example, it helps students to find out room for improvements or misconceptions, and it helps heighten the quality of work. On the right diagram, it shows an example of AI to help us generate a speech. So we do face some challenges when we use generative AI to help us do assignments. For example, some information and ideas generated are too general, and it may not be adopted directly because the response is not capable of fulfilling the rubrics of the assignment. Also, the definition and concepts provided by AI can be inaccurate. Thirdly, the feedback given by AI can be fake and ambiguous. So we have to access AI's comments critically. So are AI policies in University Chinese effective? We do think it is effective because it helps encourage students to make use of generative AI tools wisely and correctly. It provides room and clear instructions of the correct use of generative AI tools. And the correct use of generative AI can help facilitate the teaching and learning in the course. It prevents students from misusing AI.
Next, we would like to talk about psychology course. This course is an overview of the key concepts and theories in psychology, enabling students to have a more in-depth understanding of human behavior, and it's pre-assigned to every OT student only. One of the take-home assignments would be essay-type individual assignment. It would weigh 35% of the course, and we are allowed to use Gen AI with the declaration. Turnitin, which is the Gen AI detector, would be adopted. We're allowed to use Gen AI for brainstorming ideas, checking factual accuracy, and conjunctions with other sources. We are prohibited from asking Gen AI to write essays. Gen AI tools can provide personalized learning, like summary psychology concepts, and it could also help us to brainstorm essay topic ideas and give us some feedback on the writing. The individual assignment is Gen AI resistant because it assesses students to demonstrate critical thinking skills in the essay and think in multiple perspectives. However, it's concerned that datasets Gen AI learn from may be flawed, and it may not reflect current data.
Another take-home assignment would be our group presentation. We had to make PowerPoint slides and record our presentation, which is 15% of our final grade. Specific Gen AI policies were not mentioned, so we just followed the general policies of PolyU. Firstly, we use Bing Chat to generate ideas by asking for some reference links. By using the concise mode, we could get accurate and real links. Some other uses would be summarizing key points and providing extra relevant links. We also used Playground AI to generate some images to make our presentation look more appealing. In fact, we also added some AI-generated pictures in this presentation too. Here are some more pictures generated. As you can see, AI could provide some decent-looking photos given the right prompt. We believe that Poly's Gen AI policies are effective, as it allows students to explore the use of AI, but also prevents them from over-relying on it.
So let's move to talk about introductions to AIDA courses. What is introductions to AIDA courses? These courses introduce the concept and principle of AI and data analysis. For this course, students can learn about AI tools, applications, what is big data, how to use AIDA to solve some problems, how to correct to use of general AI tools to help our learning, what is deep learning, and what applications in deep learning. There are two main types of assignment. One is assignments, one is group projects. And the weighting of assignment is 90%, and the weighting of group project is 23%. There are five main types AI policies of these courses. Special assignment desire AI may general incorrect context, turning in AI uses statement and punishment. So let's move to talk about the special assignment desire firstly. You can be see from these questions. This question that the student discovered earlier in the AI response based on the transcript of the first lecture. And these questions in that cannot be answered by AI. And you can see from these figures. And I have a lot of file according to the transcript and the AI response. And that's the AI according to this file to discover the error in the AI response. And however, the AI answered that there were no special error. It's saying that the questions require students to think deeply, and the AI cannot do it. Secondly, AI may generate incorrect context. Sometimes the context generated by the AI may be incorrect. AI does not have the ability to retrieve the information from the internet, and the response are based on the training data, and so the response is outdated. So the student need to check is the AI answer is correct or incorrect. You can be see from this example, in what years was probably you found this, and the AI answer there is 1097 however, the correct answer should be 1057, and it should be fetch check of the AI generated context. Also, so let's move on to talk about the turn-in AI detect functions. The take-home assignment requires to submit for the turn-in, and the percentage of the test that were generated by the AI weighting towards is so, and it's only accessible to the teacher. Also, AI uses statement. Students should state whatever they use the general AI at the end of the assignment, and the statement should be included towards and versions and the use of the AI and context generated. Finally, punishment. If the misconduct is found, and the student will receive the CO marks in their assignment, and there are some punishment actions will be found out.
It is a course requirement to complete the in-class activity and task assignments using different AI tools. For example, Pico Labs, Playground AI, and Bing Chat. Let me take Playground AI as an example. Using Playground AI, we can generate artwork by inputting prompts. For example, a picture is generated with prompts, a girl with a friendly face standing in a classroom, and the picture generated is on the right-hand side on the computer monitor. In the Playground AI, we can input the prompt in the website and add a filter, and then the pictures can be generated. The next example I would like to mention is the Pico Lab. It is a board in Discord, and it can transform objects in pictures to a movable one. For example, with the prompt "the ship is moving," the ship inside the original picture will make to be moving in the new picture produced by the bot. First, we need to input create in the start the command in the chat box, and upload an image and input a prompt. Then a moving picture will be generated. Speaking of the effectiveness of AI policy on the course, I think the effects of AI policy on the AI course is different from other university courses, as it requires students to know more about AI and utilize AI. Yet some written assignments are still designed specially to let students think and work on their own, which can prevent the student to use AI. For example, using Turnitin to check the similarity so as to prevent students generating their work by AI in the written assignments.
So let's move on to talk about summary and reflections. AI have bringing us many benefits. Soon as giving us idea for writing, reduce the time we spend thinking about ideas and making our learning more effective. However, we cannot rely on that. We should study the AI policy. It could be seen that this example, I let the AI to help me write an assignment about the general AI tools, and I called the AI response to the AI detect website, and the website so that my test is human writing. We think that the AI detect tools may have some errors, and also the student homework is checked by turning in to detect if it have AI generated content. We think that the functions of some AI detect tools to be improved and to avoid the problems of the student over rely on the AI to help them to writing the assignment. So this is the end for our presentation. Thank you.